Hi guys, I'm Hcham. Today I will show you online store demo. This is a professional and beautiful e-commerce website, and it is also optimized for the best SEO setting so that you get a better ranking on Google search result. So let me show you a demo of this website. First of all, this is the homepage of this website. Now if you see at the top over here, we have our header in the head. So this is the top bar. On the right side you will see the user icon. Over here this will give you a dashboard. So we have an amazing front end dashboard for our customer, so they can anytime come over here, they can see order, they can track the order, and if you are creating any digital downloadable product, they can come to download. They can add billing address, shipping address, they can also change their account detail like password and all these things. Let's come back to our home page. On the left hand side we have some social link, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and you can add more social link here. In the center this is a logo of the website. On the right side we have the cart logo, wishlist logo, compare item logo, and if somebody want to search for any specific product, they can click on search icon and they can search for that product. In the middle this is the simple menu. We have a home page, shop page, blog page, order tracking page, contact us page. After that we have a banner section, and left hand side we have a category section. We can search product by category like kids, shoes, watch, bag, man, women's, and you can add more category here. After that we have a again category with images, and then we have the next section, which is the section you can enter some detail. For example, we have a free shipping. We providing free shipping on all order over $200. Sport 24 hours, 100% money back, payment score, discount. And then if you scroll down, you will see we have a feature product, best selling product, on sale product, trend product. When we hover over this product, as you can see the image change, and if you see any product on sale, you will see -6% off, -29% off. Or if your customer want to add any product to wish list, they can click on heart icon. This product will be added to the wish list. If I go top, as you can see it says one product. I click on this heart icon, you can see one product are now added to your wish list. Let's come back to our home page, and if your customer want to add any product to the cart, for example I want to add this product to my cart, I can click on add to cart button. This product will be added to my cart, and you will see these things on the right hand side. You can see all product you have added to your cart. You can see the subtotal. If you can go to checkout, you can check out. I will show you cart page and checkout page. First complete home page. Now if a certain product is out of stock, this will tell you this product is sold out. Top rated product, best selling product, on sale product. And in the next section we have a Instagram post section. You can add Instagram post here. And then we have a footer section at the bottom. Over here is your website logo, your website address, your contact number, and your email address. Here is your categories, your store page, your store time. Now let's open a single product. Let's see how a single product page look like. Let's open this one. Now as you can see, this is how a single product page look like. So here is your breadcrumb. So here are your product gallery images. If you want to see different images, you can have these things. This is the title of the product, and this product is also available on discount. As you can see, this product is 20% discount. You can see the original price is streaked out and the new price is this one. And after that, customer can increase and decrease quantity. They can see the size chart, deliver and return information, ask any question, and they can see how many people views this product right now, and he can share this product with your friend. Scroll down here, you can see the description of the product. You can give review on this product. You can see vendor information and vendor product, and then you can see product category. At the bottom you can see more related product as well. So if this customer is not interested in this product, this customer can find some other product they have might be interested in it. We have also a variable product. Let me show you what a variable product is. So for example, let me open this product. So a variable product is a product that is available in different variation. For example, this is a sweater and this sweater is available in different color and different size. If I click on yellow and click on medium size, then you will see images and price will also change. If I select on large, then you can see price again change. Now if you want to add any product in cart, so click on add to cart button. If you want to go in cart page, click on view cart. In the cart page, you will see that we have also used coupon code. So for example, I have a coupon code alpha2 tetra 0. Click on apply coupon code. As you can see, it says coupon code applied successfully, and because of this you are getting 10% discount. After that your address will be automatically generated. Now click on proceed to checkout, and here they can enter their detail. If you see here, we have no shipping cost. So if I select Canada, then automatically added shipping cost. So this option is also available. Now click on continue to shopping button. Now click on continue to payment. Select payment method, cash on delivery, credit card, PayPal. I select cash on delivery. Click on place order. Once your customer click on place order, they will see this page. Thank you for shipping with us, and this is your order detail. Customer can copy order number. Now go to order tracking page, enter your order number and email address. Click on track button. So here you will be see order status, order detail, billing address, shipping address. Now go to contact us page. So here you will be see store information, store address, store mobile number, store email, store social link, store location, and here you can email. If somebody wants see all listed product, they can click on shop page menu. So here is all listed product. So if you need this product, you can contact with us. Thanks for watching this video.